Okay, so I'm gonna show you outside and what it looks like where I live. Got my coat on. Now I just need my shoes. These are my boots. I'm gonna wear these because this is how bad the weather is where I'm at right now, which sucks. Okay, so I have to put you in my back pocket. Bad idea. I'm gonna carry you, okay?
Yeah, I haven't talked to my mom since like 2007, dude.
Okay. This is what it's like outside right now. Told you it's bad. This is sleet. It's like snowing out here and I have no hood. So, yeah. Which kind of sucks. And so it's the middle of April and it's snowing. Kind of odd, Mother Nature. And it's sleet, not snow. Going up to my Grammy's house. I live down there. My grandpa lives up here. Let's get in our bedroom. Hi, Peaches. Hey, kitties. What are you guys doing? Watch out. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie. No, you can't go in there. Come here. Hi. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Shh. Are you guys say hi to everybody? Say hi.
Do you owe more than $10,000 in tax debt to the IRS or state? Are you being audited, have unfiled tax returns, garnished wages, back taxes, liens, or has the IRS left your account? Call First Class Tax Relief to get help now. The IRS is coming after you if you owe more than $10,000 in taxes. First Class Tax Relief. Call 1-800-206-6711. Filed all my 10 years of back taxes.
It's okay. Just go to bed. Come on, baby. Okay. Where's your brothers and sisters and Peaches? Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone because they're trying to sleep. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. Anyway, to go outside again. It's not as bad as it was earlier. Oh my baby Jesus. Ow, it's cold. Anyways, bye everybody. my god, you can see me. Okay. Oh my god, those are my footprints. Ooh, it's a hair tie. Ew, spider! Well, so I'm gonna go now. Just I have other things to do. Sit here and do nothing. So